Welcome back, everyone. Wanted to share my tip of the week of how to enter income from patronage dividends. Now, these dividends can be paid in cash, equity, or a combination of both. We're actually going to show the example where it's a combination of both cash and equity. So the very first thing you need to do is make sure you go to Chart of Accounts on the left nav and make sure under Other Long-Term Assets, we have the patronage stock account set up. So add account, we'll choose the correct entity it belongs to. I'm going to choose patronage stock here. I would suggest being as descriptive as possible. So I'm going to call mine the Keystone Co-op patronage stock. For the opening balance here, I'm going to keep mine 0. But if you had a beginning balance of this equity stock, you can go ahead and put that in here. Or if you just don't know at the time, just skip that part and we can do that later. Hit save and close. So right there it is, 0 balance. If I go down to the bottom here under revenue, make sure you have the patronage dividend income account set up. Mine is already set up, but if yours is not, just hover over revenue and choose the add account option here. Next step is to enter the transaction under the account register. My example, I received $500 of it in cash and the other 1,000 was equity. So make sure I choose the checking account it belongs to up above and now hit the add new deposit. Contact is going to be the Keystone Co-op and the amount of cash I received was $500. And the transaction date, I'm going to backdate this to the 31st of 2025. Here's where you enter the details in. So I'm going to first choose the patronage dividend income account, and the amount that I received on the 1099 was $1,500. So that puts me out of whack of 1,000. So that other 1,000 was equity. So I'm going to choose the Add Row button, and you'll have to kind of scroll down here to find the patronage equity account that I've set up here for Keystone. So that all looks good. And I would be very descriptive here. So if this was our 2025 patronage dividend, make a memo here, be as descriptive as possible because there might be moments later you want to print off a nice general ledger detailed report or look at the account register to see what this was all about. So enter some detail here. This all looks really good. I'm going to hit the save and close button. And you'll see that it did add the $500 of cash into my checking account. And if I go back to the chart of accounts, and we'll take a look at the equity account, it should be 1,000. If I go to, right there it is actually, Keystone Co-op, there it is, $1,000 of equity. And then if I go all the way down at the bottom here for revenue, we should see the patronage dividend income of 1,500. So everything is correct. And that's exactly how you would do this transaction. Have a great day. Thank you.